This video was recorded not long after my motorcycle accident. As many of you know, I crashed my Panigale V4 at night, and one of the injuries that I received from that accident was a broken foot. I decided to go back and edit this video since I think it's really important to understand the entire story of what I was going through after this accident. I find it a little frustrating, particularly only the people over on TikTok, claiming that I was oversharing my accident for views or for clout or whatever, when the true story is I really wanted to document every part of my motorcycle accident, more of a warning to people watching of why you should wear your motorcycle gear and the absolute raw persistence that I for some reason had after I crashed my motorcycle. And while I had a blast riding my motorcycle in this video, I think that it was absolutely way too soon to be riding the bike at the time of recording this video. My foot was broken, and those of you who ride motorcycles know that you need your left foot in order to shift gears. And while the quick shifter on my Ducati made that a little bit easier, it still was not a smart decision. I'm doing a lot better now. The x-rays that my doctor gave me show that my foot has fully reconnected the bone. I'm now walking around in normal shoes, and though I still have a little bit of a limp and the foot still feels a little bit weird, I think it's safe to say that I'm, for the most part, fully healed. I just want it to be known that this was 2.5 months I've been having to deal with this. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a banger, and we had a lot of fun this day.
I was gonna say, dude, putting weight on it doesn't feel that bad. It's just like, it feels a little weird. Like, it's a little scary, but that's about it. Like, other than that, it's like not really that bad. What were you saying about the pick-me bikers?
What was I saying about them?
Yeah, what did you say? Repeat what you said while we were sitting down getting drinks. Say it. What about the videos, bro?
Oh my god,
The videos that people were making about me? Don't be a scaredy cat. They're not gonna do anything, bro. They're just a bunch of dudes. Can't get girls.
something. What of me, I hate you, I hate you.
It's the guys that make the videos being like, oh yeah, Matthew Woods is such a meanie. I'll take care of you.
Dang, girl. You're safe with me. Matthew Woods will just be mean to you.
yeah, for real.
This Matthew Woods hates girls. He doesn't treat any of them right. That's why I'll treat all of you guys right at the same time.
I'm such a good guy. That's why I own a motorcycle and only film videos in my driveway.
Yeah.
Like, they don't have a single video of their bike out and about.
And they're sitting on their bike like this.
Never have any friends in their videos because I can't make friends with other bikers.
Because they hate them. Oh wait, we gotta go.
Go right.
Yeah, because they can't make friends with their bike because they don't ride. They're like, yeah, I mean, biker community, they're all just assholes. That's why I'm not friends with them.
Oh yeah, everyone in the bike community is so mean. That's why I like the book talk girls, you know?
Exactly.
Book talk girls, they just get me. I'm like you guys.
They just understand how I'm feeling. That's so insane. Matthew Woods doesn't like being tied up like you girls do, and that's why I only like you guys.
That's why I'm such a ladies' man, because my mom raised me right. I'm like one of the girls. I'm a D1 hater, dude. Holy cow, dude. This is awesome. This feels so haunted.
I know.
I'm actually digging this so much.
I like how like small the road is.
Imagine like 2 cars going down this at the same time.
Ripping this turn.
That's why I'm like trying to stick to the right, like go a little slow. People live over here, bro. This is so cool.
This is crazy.
These people haven't seen actual human beings in decades.
First time.
Holy cow, dude. Watch out. Road ends? What?
What? That's how they're looking at us. Like, where are they going?
This is so cool, though. What the fuck? Is there like a little trail or something? There is, bro. You can just go off-road.
I say we go.
Oh, no trespassing? It's probably someone's house. I don't think we can go here. Huh.
Really should have went right instead of left, huh?
Maybe. I mean, we didn't know. I've never been over here before. This is kind of whack.
Well, Frank, I think we got a house at the end of the road.
We get an excuse. We don't have GPS.
Right.
Although, if we had GPS, we would have never found this, so this is kind of cool. 2 houses on this road. It's basically just someone's long driveway.
Right.
I would love to rip this, like, when I'm feeling better, though.
Oh, yeah.
See, he probably has the GPS on, which is why he turned around. He knew.
Right.
Oh, it's a school. Oh, cool. That's like the middle of nowhere schools that, like, you get taught flat earth theory and shit. I'm guessing left this time. I don't know what I would even title this video, bro. Like, going for the most beautiful fall ride ever. Going for the most awe-inspiring fall ride you've ever seen in your life.
Tell me this doesn't make you want to ride a bike in the fall time, but you have to own a bike to do that.
Alright, let's see 3rd gear. Let's see if I can get it up now. Maybe not. Need a little bit more confidence that I'm lacking here. I'm still a little bit scared. That's all. They're awful mirrors, dude. They're down here. I haven't even adjusted them so that I can't even see anything out of them. All I can see is my crotch. Gotta make sure it's still there.
I know the girls are looking for it, so I gotta make sure I always know where it's at.
Yeah. I just have to. I'm like smacking the gears. I'm like, it hurts, but gotta do it. I need to be a man and just clutch it up, dude. Oh, hey, CBR.
That's Mike.
Oh, was it? Oh, he finally got his bike back?
Yeah.
Oh, Mike's catching up with us. My foot. I love just randomly running into people when we're out riding.
Oh, I know, it's so funny.
Are you not? Is that not armored? No. Man.
I only got a leather jacket. I hate the armored shit.
I know, but had I been wearing this, bro, I probably could have went home that night, no problem.
How you feeling though?
It still hurts, but ain't stopping me. It's a beautiful day, you know? The brake part is on the outside of the foot, so I can still shift with a relative no problem.
Wrap it up with something.
I probably could have done that. I didn't really think about that. I'm just waiting on this guy to quit texting this girl, and then we're all good.
What are you guys up to?
I was thinking park.
I'll probably join you guys at that school.
Yeah, sure. Up to you. Because I'm kind of riding a little overly safe because of that, so.
I'm trying to take it easy too.
Yeah. Come on, traffic.
I didn't know if you wanted to go or not.
Go faster, Tacoma. Jesus. I know, yeah, I see him. He's hauling. Those trucks look so funky, don't they?
I hate them so much. They just look like cardboard.
I'm gonna try to go for it, dude. It's probably gonna be a dumb decision, but. Come on, dude. I know I can do it.
A little bit more beat. There you go. Look at that.
Oh my god, that was like the smallest little wheelie ever, but that felt so amazing.
Yeah, probably.
It's like I'm relearning how to do it all over again. See, this is what we need to do, bro. That's what we need, a group that looks like that. It's so much fun.
Want to go right or straight?
Ah, straight. Supermotos and dual sports, dude. That's like the way to go. Oh, dude, that's the dude me and Brian saw the one time, the Harley guy. We thought he was shifting with his hand, but he was like, no, I'm just adjusting things. That's an old Harley, dude. I've seen that guy before. That's so funny. It looked like he was still doing it. He was still messing with something down here.
I thought the same thing. I was like, damn, did he just shift?
Nah, he's just constantly making adjuststents.
That was Nate, bro. He just broke his foot.
Wait, he broke his foot too?
Yeah, that's Kenny's friend Nate. No way.
I'm a bad influence, dude. I gotta be the bad influence on him. This is why I really wanted to ride through the parks today. We gotta get like a photo or something.
Why are you braking? This is the steepest hill known to mankind.
Yeah, bro, just go flying down it.
You gotta put your hands up like a roller coaster.
Whee!
Well, they're so scared.
I know, yeah, all these cars are just... It's the crux of riding during the day. I wish we could get away from it. Find a road with like no cars on it.
Too scared.
I love riding during fall, dude. It's so pretty. I don't know why those guys are going that way. That road sucks. It's all just like straight lines. That road's...
Exactly why they're going that way.
That road's fun because it's like twisty and shit. That one sucks. I turned my traction control back on, so I can't wheelie. It's probably just best not to wheelie until my foot's healed, bro. I'm just gonna end up messing something up.
Yeah, definitely the safer option for sure.
I know, it just sucks. It sucks to ride this bike without trying to wheel it everywhere, but okay, well you...
Like the next car's not going. Oh, word. Thank you.
He turned on his turn signal so late.
Alright, now watch this shit.
That's so bold considering that the sheriffs sit on this road all the time.
Oh, my knee is hurting.
It couldn't possibly be from the wheelies, right?
No, definitely not. I'll let you go in front because I don't know how to get to the valley from here.
I think we just go straight. Sorry, we get to sit in awesome day traffic for a little bit. We were having too much fun. We have to slow down for a little bit. What I was trying to say is your chain looks like it's crunching a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of movement that shouldn't be there.
Alrighty.
Well, these people don't know how to do a four-way stop.
Fuck it.
No, it's their turn. Their turn, right? Are you gonna go? Go!
Fuck it, I'm good.
Alright, fuck it. Stupid.
I can't even do a sit down anymore.
I can't do a sit down either because my leg hurts.
I can't even sit down. I have hemorrhoids.
I was sitting there with the motorcycle accident. I could not imagine like getting more road rash than what I had. I was like, it would just be, you'd be inoperable.
Oh, 100%. Actually, you didn't get road rash.
Oh yeah, shut up. Yeah, like imagine getting it in both ass cheeks, both arms. Like I just, ugh.
Your whole back, your whole front.
Oh my god, dude, I need to buy another backpack or anything because dude, that backpack saved my spine.
100%.
Without that backpack, dude, my back probably would have been covered in road rash, like everything. This 3-lane road reminds me of California, and it's not making sense in my brain why we can't just lane split this. I can't wait to go out to Cali. It's just so much better. Life is really, it's gonna be hard for me not to get an apartment out there. I'm not gonna lie, dude.
Really?
I mean, like, it's not that expensive. I found one for like what, 2,800 with a parking garage.
2,800?
Yeah.
Damn.
2,800. You know, a decent apartment. It's not like great, but it's in a really good area. Get a parking garage. I just need somewhere to keep my truck and the bikes, you know.
We can go left here and get on the highway. I know. Yeah, it is. It's this one or the next one? Next one.
No, I'm not getting on the highway, bro.
Oh, sorry, not to get to the highway. It's the
Oh, okay. Figure it out. This is part of the adventure. Hello. Ah, he didn't wave. I thought it was gonna be nice.
The guy at the bus stop?
Yeah, no, I don't think it was a bus stop. I think he was just sitting there. He's just standing there with his arms crossed. I try waving at him. He's just like, no.
Not because he doesn't know that it's not a bus. He probably realized that it's not a bus stop. Watch out for this cone right here.
Which cone? What the heck? Imagine the car behind, like, to the right of us. They're like trying to swerve to miss it and they hit Mike. Just a series of events.
Bro, that hurt, kicking that cone. I thought it was going to be a salter cone. I was talking to Hannah. She was like, you should buy my old 636.
I'm trying to justify this like this is somehow good for my foot. I don't think it's right.
Alright, yeah, we could have turned left at that one spot. That's what I thought.
Yeah, well, it's fine. We made it here. That's all that matters.
Ah, not bad.
You know how to turn?
No.
Kind of forget there for a second.
I forgot what I was doing here.
It just looks like you're like dangling your legs, like, you know, like laying in your bed texting someone. Oh, I don't think I could make that.
This whole thing is a spoiler. I did not know that.
What, that little tiny piece right there?
Yeah, just watch. Unless he just put his top up, but I don't think so. I'm trying to get him to get excited.
Get him all excited so a spoiler comes up. I had a bunch of people telling me, you know, I posted that video of me flipping the V4 plate.
Since my crashed V4 was deemed a total loss, and since I'll never be able to ride it again, I decided I will finally be able to share this little secret with you. I don't own this bike anymore.
Kind of like revealing what was on that bike. People were telling me, oh, dude, don't post this. The cops are going to come after you. Now I'm like, how? I don't own that bike anymore. I'm never going to ride it again. Who cares?
The bike wasn't even moving.
It's like you can't give me a ticket for a plate violation if I don't own the bike anymore. It's like I don't have to worry about being pulled over on that thing. Who cares? The only bike that still has a flip plate is the S1K, and even that, I'm like, I'm probably going to switch it to just a regular plate next season. Trying to stay away from running from the cops now, so like,
yeah,
probably just in my best interest to...
Oh shit, don't go.
Yeah, I know, you kind of... Buddy, you care about us? Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus, dude. I mean, fuck it. Like, standing around in random places, it's so weird. I don't know if it's just, like, something I got going on in my brain. Hold on, I gotta wait for these people. They're crossing. They got a baby. I'm not gonna make them wait. Hello. Okay, I think we're good.
Oh, so now I don't want to go too fast yet.
Well, no. There's, you know, people that...
Don't go.
Really? Oh. You cut in front of me. I almost died. What? I can't.
This is sweet. I might come back here.
It's so bright. I can't see anything, dude. My eyes. Ever since the accident, like, bright lights have been kind of a little bit hard to see through. I'll be a good little biker. Let him cross. I'll allow it. Why did I have to crash in the fall, bro? I can't do any of this stuff. I can't walk around here. This sucks.
If you can't back in right here.
There's no way. This old lady in the van just completely cut him off.
So close.
She pulls up even further. Like, no, you're not allowed in. Oh, she crossed the double yellow. You're not allowed to do that.
That's crazy.
I mean, I'm doing it too. This person's taking forever. They don't know how to park.
You're good. Yeah, bro, you could just park over here and walk all the way.
I can't. That's probably what these people are doing. Whoa, Jesus Christ. What the... He's...
Oh my God.
That dude had a big smile on his face.
Dude, that was crazy.
Alright, I gotta chill, dude. My foot's kind of hurting.
Oh, that's so bad.
That was a cop.
I was going 75.
It's going 50. This is a 35, dude.
I thought that was a cop, and I'm like, no, it's probably not.
Definitely was. I saw him a million miles away. I just saw you continue to accelerate. I'm like, well, by the time I say something, it's gonna be too late anyway, so.
Right, the cop already saw us in the turn.
I want to get pulled over with the boot, bro. I want to be able to explain, be like, yeah, I just got into a motorcycle accident. I'm out here riding again, speeding, doing dumb things.
What the hell just happened?
You got a little bit close there. You alright?
What the hell is that? The sun was in my eyes or what? But the road just shifted.
I saw you like slowly. It was like magnetism, bro. You're being pulled towards the guardrail. I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, that scared the hell out of me.
Please do not get in a wreck. Well, I won't be able to help you, bro.
Oh, it feels so good through here.
It feels good today in general, dude. I'm very happy I'm out.
Let's let him know. Let's let him know.
I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to last, though. My foot's kind of starting to get a little sore here, which is unfortunate because I kind of wanted to ride till the sun went down.
After we go to this gas station and leave, I'm probably just gonna go home. Oh, because my body and back are hurting. Mostly my back.
Oh, you baby. You have a perfectly intact body. Trade with you in a second. Are you kidding me?
I just wanted to rest today, and I'm like, damn, it's kind of nice. I might as well ride for a little bit.
It just sucks, bro, because I just want to go for a walk, you know? I just want to go walk, and I can't even do that. Like, the simplest of things. Like, I'm glad I could do, like, compared to what I was doing a week ago, I can do way beyond what I was doing a week ago, but still, like, it's not enough. I just want to be able to walk normally again. Oh, my God. Okay. All right. Time to get off.
I need a monster.
I need something. I need sustenance. There's a little bee going around my bike. Ah!